Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're all well, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video of basically little chocolates, little Freddos. Basically it's a little treasure chest, and I'll open it and I'll just show you. So there's a little tear thing that you pull here, and then there's a little end just on the side here. So which one's got the chocolate in and which one's got the toy in? So obviously I think that's where it's got discover the prize in there, maybe the chocolate in this bit here. So I'll just show you. I have got a whole a load next to me, but I'm not going to eat all the chocolates just yet. So all the chocolate is just in this bit here. Chocolate. Buttons. So this little bit, this must be the surprise. There's a little cow. So in here, I'll open it in a sec. So the head wiggles. So on the front part, it just shows all these little friends. So basically you can get, so that one's called Moo. There's Raz, which is a monkey. There is a panda, which is called Oz. There's a glow in the dark, which is called Joe, and I believe that's a cat. Penguin, a little pig, and a tiger, which is Sky, so Jet and Paddy. Or if you didn't have or if there's actually Freddo, which I think he might be a rare one, maybe. I think. I'm not sure if he's going to be in it or not. So there's a little patter thing, I think. A spinny thing, a reflection thing that you can use paper to reflect a little image there and then draw it. A jigsaw puzzle, and try and get the balls into the space holes. So, and I've got another one next to me, and I have got a whole tub, which I'll just show you that in a sec. Oh, so we've got, looks like the Macarena, the paddle one that moves back and forth, that rattles, I believe. These are so tricky to open. I've had to just use my teeth to open it. Last is like a little treasure, as it's saying on it, with all the little friends on it, and you've got a little Freddo on the back. Aww. Got a lot to get through. So because it comes in these tubs, they also do white chocolate, I believe. I had a little look online. They're also that Cadbury World. We got Paddo. We'll keep him there for now. Next one. Open the toy. Oh, ruin that one. What's this? Oh, looks like it's a jigsaw puzzle. I'll open that in a bit. Put that in there. Next one. So it's just an easy tear open. Chocolate's in the little one. It's got a little barcode that you can unlock adventures and stuff. So I don't know if they're all the same. I'll have to look it up and maybe try and insert a clip of me doing it. Oh, okay. So we've got the little balls that you've got to try and put back in the hole. There's 2 in there. Next one. We have got a little piggy. Oh, I'll open this in a sec. And this would be great for the little kids, right? For Easter. So if you didn't want to get them an Easter egg, or you can't get hold of an Easter egg, maybe get a few of these or hide them around like little Easter eggs as you do. Maybe. There's a spinner. She's got all the little friends on it. I'll take it out all the plastic in a sec. But yeah, all like little birthday, little you know, when you put in little gift bags and things. Should be ideal to do that. Repeat. Got 2 piggies now. Put them aside. So we've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left out of 8 that I've done so far, which there was a whole row of one, which I took the last 2 off the top of this. So it comes in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24 in a carton. So we didn't have all 24. So we've got another jigsaw puzzles. That's another repeat. Next one. It's just easier for me to keep the box here, just to drop them back in, and then piggy again. I don't think we're going to get all of the collection, but it's worth having a look, see if I can get the whole collection, even if it is that few. What's this? A little drawing pad where you can do the reflection. I'll open that in a minute. Down to the last 3 now. Let's see. Oh, this one's the same one as this one, as the frog, but it's got the friends in instead, so that is part of, so you can either have one or the other. Okay. Last 2. I'm kind of hoping if I could get the Joe one, which is the dark cat, or at least the monkey, which is Raz. I'd like either one of them, or maybe Ty, the tiger. So we'll see which one. No, just another spinner, but they've changed the disc in there, which is they're all around it. As this one, they're in the little treasure chest, so that's interesting. Last one. Oh, these tubs contain 1 portion of 76 calories. It's just on there. I didn't know it cost like that much. Okay, well, that much cost that much. I think this was a 5, I think this was. Yeah, it was a 5 for this. Another repeat. So we didn't get it this time, but I know that they're bringing out a new collection where instead of having, that's 3 of the piggies. Instead of milky, so instead of it being milk chocolate, they do a white chocolate, I believe in it, because I did see it in Cadbury World. Don't mind if I do. So 4 little piggies. Like wee wee all the way home instead of 3. So the pig comes with little stickers that you can dress up. I've put a little tie on. It comes with 2 little ties. So there's like a purple one, and then I've just put some wings on the back of. And then there's some pair of lips, a little moustache, sunglasses, and a little phone with where it's got Moo on there. So like the little friend on his phone, FaceTiming him maybe. So that's fun. But yeah, I'll show you Paz, and then I'll leave the others in the packaging, so I can always just give it away to any little cousins for that. I probably still will give them away. Kind of hoping I would get the collection and then maybe do a swapsy with some people, maybe. I'm thinking that there might be 2 different jigsaws, so I might insert a picture in case. I nearly get myself a paper cut there with my nose. So I'll have a little play around, see what and I'll show you if they're actually just a little. Oh, I'll just watch a bit of telly as well. basically, it's a little Freddo, which I'm just trying to make now. So, and that's what's in that one as well. So that's what's in that one as well. So they're pretty much exactly the same. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you did like, comment and subscribe, and you wanting to see more videos like this, don't forget to, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.